Never mind. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm Skylar, but you already knew that. Today I'm basically just filming an intro because I felt like this was really old footage and I'm pretty lazy, so this never actually made it to YouTube, but definitely had to because it was just super cool in my opinion and like a really cool experience. I went to Hawaii for literally like 6 hours and then flew right back. The day that all of the storms came through, and so getting out of the airport was really fun for me, but anyways, I'm not here to complain. I had an awesome time and I saw some super cool stuff. I went with my dad again because I pretty much only travel with my parents. We just went to a like preserve or museum or base, I guess. Basically, we saw a bunch of cool stuff and I filmed it. I thought it would be interesting to get like an inside look at like what a Navy ship looks like. Very conscious of how much I say like right now. Basically, we ran to the base, saw the ship, went to the beach and snorkeled for literally like 45 minutes and then ran back to the hotel, changed, and got back on the plane. So not a super fun, long, vloggy footage trip, but I mean, I thought it was cool, so I hope you like it, and I hope it is cool to you too. And I'm gonna go eat some pizza. Okay, well, let's just get into the video now. Enjoy, or don't, whatever.
Daniel.
Enjoyed that little bit of insider edition Navy ship whatnot. I thought it was really interesting. I hope you thought it was really interesting, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I did over Christmas. We went to Japan. I went on a cruise with my mom. We went to a bunch of cool places. So stay tuned. And if you're still here and you found me and you're subscribed to me, leave a comment below and say you subscribed through YouTube, because basically most of the people that watch this is my parents and my parents' friends. I am so popular amongst my mom's friends. But I don't care. Her friends are cool, so. Yeah, that's pretty much all. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.